Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Getting Everything Ready stuck screen in PolyBuzz. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're launching PolyBuzz and it's stuck on the Getting Everything Ready screen, here's what you can try. First, check if PolyBuzz is experiencing server issues. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end. Visit the official PolyBuzz FAQ page or their Discord to see if there are any announcements about outages. If the servers are fine, try restarting the app, close it completely and then reopen it. If that doesn't work, restart your device to clear any temporary glitches. Next, ensure that you have the latest version of the PolyBuzz app installed. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve performance. If updating doesn't help, try clearing the app's cache and data. On Android, tap and hold the PolyBuzz app and then tap on App Info. Tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. On iOS, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app to achieve the same effect. Speaking of reinstalling, if clearing cache and data doesn't resolve the issue, uninstall the PolyBuzz app and then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. This can help fix problems caused by corrupted installation files. If none of these steps work, consider using the web version of PolyBuzz as a temporary workaround. If still you are unable to use PolyBuzz, then you can email their customer support at this email address. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.